Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel once again. I go by the name Prince, aka Slumbeast, and you already know this is what we do. We love what we do, and we know how we do. Lovely people, you are watching XTRABIZ channel. Yeah, if today is your first time watching me, you know what to do. Kindly hit on the subscription button, leave me a comment, hit on the like button as well to motivate and encourage me bring you more of this content. So people, at this point of time, I decided to go have a closer look on some of the supercars around and try and check some of the detailing and like check things out for my own self. So people, yeah, let's go close and go and have a look. Hello boss, how you doing?
Hi there, welcome to Sport-Based Planet Experience.
Nice to meet you, sir.
So what we've got here is a static display of some of the cars we're not doing the runway drive today.
Okay.
It's the paddock experience, so the idea is you can get close to the vehicles. A lot of the drivers are with the vehicles as well, so you can ask them questions about it, find more about their background. You can ask to sit in the cars.
Yeah, I'd love to jump in one of the cars, yeah?
Yeah, so help yourself to have a look around. It's £5 donation to go in there. Be there as long as you want. Under 15s are included for one paying adult.
Yes, sir. So people, we are in now. Let's check this highway patrol interceptor out. This is some badass car, people. Wow. Yeah, this one looks like an American police car. Let's check the interior of this Ferrari as well. Wow, this car is insane, people.
You want to show the red one? Yeah, I want to choose one.
Cheese! Right.
I used to do a lot of tracking and
Yeah.
you do less of that now.
Wow.
It's quite intimidating and scary. So it's a bit weird. But yeah, if you see Wizo, make sure you get a picture with him. Give him a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. He does this all weathers. He does, how many shows was it? I'm going to guess. 91. There's 91 shows he's done this season. 91. The charity. Nobody paid him. Turns up all by himself, pays his bill, gets here. 91 shows he's done this
Red one is a Ferrari, and this one just behind here is a Ford. Wow.
I see one of these guys, but they did a 75 grand about, I don't know, 2 years ago. They were 70, late 60s, 70 grand. I've seen one recently go to the auction for 35 grand. So they started to get to a price where we were they are an amazing little car to drive. They really are incredible. That one is being chased by bugs all day. It is not. The Ferrari SF90 is on its way now. This is a...
Yeah, so in a bit we're gonna grab something to eat for ourselves because we've been working too hard and we are hungry. Can see burger and fries, you know. Yeah, baby.
Oh, busy.
It's an engaging environment for people, kids, lots of people turn up with kids. Sometimes costs a lot of money for these environments, especially where you have to pay £5, £10 a time. We're here to provide colouring, lots of different things, tickets, raffle, all the raffle tickets go straight to charity.
Wow.
The kids run around the cars, run around the other cars, engagement. Sometimes your babies, where you get the change, disappear. Making sure we can look after them.
So this is like basically the kids entertainment center.
Exactly. Yeah,
Respect
exactly
us.
that. Exactly that.
All right, sir.
Five just there. It's the face of Dad Cars.
Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you very much for being on my channel, sir. Let's check this Maserati LP pole. Wow, this is dope. No worries, that's all right. Wow, just check the interior out. No, it's fine. And more food van. So you see, the kids also have not been left out. Yeah, they got their own racing track where, you know, they experience the joy of racing. Lovely people. So I'm not gonna lie, today's event here at Wycombe Air Park has been incredibly amazing. You know, anybody who has been here has really had lots of fun and people have really enjoyed themselves, ladies and gentlemen. So these are some of the playgrounds for the kids. If you come here with your family, the kids have not been left out. Yeah, they got a place to have fun.
Hi guys, my name's Tom. So at the moment we're standing just behind a Icarus C42. So it's a microlight type aircraft. It's a bit smaller than a typical Class A aeroplane. They're a lot cheaper to run and they're a lot more fun to fly. A lot of people who want to fly these sort of aircraft, they fly it to go to different jobs, different parts around the country, because it's a lot quicker than travelling, say within London on traffic.
So this type of aircraft, does it use petrol, diesel or gas?
So it uses a certain kind of petrol called avgas.
Avgas.
So, yeah, so you've got two different ones you can use, either avgas 100 or UR91. It's a bit more, it's got more petroleum and more ethanol than typical fuel. So
Wow.
it burns at an easier rate, so it takes less to light it. So it's a lot more powerful.
Wow. Wow. This MG is classic, lovely people.
Sorry.
Never mind. Don't worry, darling.
No, that's fine, my darling.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just admiring the cars and I don't even know some of the names of these supercars, people. Just check this baby out. Yeah. This is insane, lovely people. Ladies and gentlemen, if you really enjoyed today's episode, you know what to do. Kindly hit on the subscription button, hit on the like button as well to motivate and encourage me bring you more of this content. Me over here, I really enjoyed myself today. Yeah, right at the Wycombe Air Park, and the car show over here today has been really incredible, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I had opportunity to speak to some pilots, to some F1 drivers, and a lot of interesting people. Ladies, this is XTRABIZ channel. Keep watching. Thank you.